Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now click on voice typing and click on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Now just hit microphone icon, and after selecting while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, wait for Speak Now command. Then start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, just click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!